What's going on, bitches? I'm back with another one. Today we have the Jordan 1 Low SE Crafts, also known as the Inside Out. Yeah, man, I mean, this again comes with this lovely box. They look a lot better, I think. Nike has done a fantastic job on these. But yeah, man, let's carry on with the sneakers. Now, here they are, and wow, again, just look at these, man. These look fantastic. They're a little bit different to the mids, I tell you now. You have different materials here and there. Not everywhere, obviously. You have the same suede that goes around the lacing system. You have leather, but used in different places. For example, the leather now is on the toe box, but again, it's stitched on top of the mudguard. You have suede for the swoosh, which is also different to the mids. You also have an embroidered Wings logo on the back. And overall, it is a very identical, man. It's completely identical design. You have the sail midsole, you have the grey outsole. It's exactly same colorway, exactly same cut like the exposed foam. You have the orange stitching on the swoosh as well, just as we had on the mids. But yeah, I mean, overall, man, overall it is, like I said on the mids as well. This release is just great, I think. I mean, overall quality, the craftsmanship on these, the materials that are used on these are fantastic, in my opinion. We've recently had a Jordan 1 Low OG cut, EX, I think they were called, and they had the exposed foam as well. And they look a bit similar to this one. I'm not gonna lie, they look a little bit similar. The only thing I don't like, man, about the standard low cuts is the tongue. I just love the OG cut tongue. I think it looks a lot better on these rather than the embroidered, the Jumpman logo. But yeah, I mean, like I said on the mids as well, man, these just give you all sorts of vibes, man. I mean, it has the off-white look. It has, I know it's going to be an unpopular opinion, but to me it has a Travis Scott look as well. On the mids you had leather on the back, and here you also have leather on the back, but it's a very small piece. On the mids you had the Wings logo on the leather, and on this one it's just embroidered on the suede, which I think looks a lot better. Overall, man, I mean, overall, I think the low cut just looks a bit better than the mids, to be honest with you. And this again, man, I mean, being an SE, I would have appreciated some extra pair of laces, man. I mean, come on, man. I mean, these are Jordan 1's SEs. Obviously, the quality and the materials do make up for it, but I would have love to see some sail laces. You have sail midsoles, you might as well throw in some laces to go with it, and I think that would just look brilliant with some sail laces. Am I asking for too much? Maybe. Anyways, man, let's carry on with the on feet. Now on feet, these are comfortable. Not the most comfortable sneakers in the world, but comfortable. A bit of a weird feeling on this one because of the sizing. I seem to have loads of room in the toe area, even though it is true to size. It just feels a little bit bigger than what I'm used to with my true to size sneakers, especially with Jordans. It's just one of those things. I'm not sure if there's something wrong with my pair, or if it is the way it is from the factory. Yeah, I mean, if you can find them in the store, I would highly suggest you try them out first before you buy. And if you're buying from Nike, you know, you always have the option of returning. I mean, here you can see the cut of the sneaker with the exposed foam, which I think looks just fantastic, man. I mean, for me personally, these are fantastic summer shoes. It's just the problem that I have with the exposed foam is that they will definitely go bad. I mean, it's not an if, it's a when. They will go bad, because I had experience with this myself on a different pair of sneaker, and the foam just goes bad, man. I mean, if this is something that's going to bother you, I would recommend you stay away from these. You know what they say, if you love a rose, you have to love its thorns too. And that's just one of those things. If you want to wear this sneaker, if you like the look of it, you have to understand the problems that come with it. You know, it's just one of those things. But you already know we can't skip this review without the crease test. And creasing wise, we have a major problem. I think these will get creased very quickly. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's the leather quality they use, but it just seems to crease very quickly. And I gotta make you guys aware on that. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, maybe shoe trees will help you guys overnight, you know, get the creases out. But on a long term, I think these will get creased quite quickly. If you love the look of it, man, you gotta deal with that, you know. And for me personally, I just love the look of it. I just love the design, the colors, everything. So I'm definitely keeping these. I will not be selling them on. I'm gonna do a lace swap and probably share a picture with you guys. But yeah, and that's the thing, you know. Like I said, man, would I recommend them? 100%, I would recommend these. The only problem you might face is the sizing, and that's just a maybe, because I'm not sure if it's a sizing problem with these or if it's my pair. But these just feel a little bit too big for me. Do you want to see more fucked up? They're sold out on the Nike website. They're literally sold out, and I can't buy a smaller size anymore. But anyways, guys, man, that's it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And if you haven't done so already, do consider subscribing, because it does help out. And I will see you bitches on the next one.